Mbuyiseni, are we talking to him? I don't know. It is possible. It's only him and him only who will speak for himself. But I will not be shocked that the ANC can talk to him, and probably because he's a good member of society, and in the realm of politics, he's a good politician, and so why not talk to him? At the end of the day, it's him who can take a decision about his future. So when his party eject him like that, I mean, just kick somebody like Mbuyiseni out. It means, hey, Julius is powerful. He's overconfident of himself. I mean, Mbuyiseni ke glass palace. He's not just a small boy and all of that in politics. It's like in the ANC, if I dismiss Mahlengi, do you think I'm mad? I won't do it. You know that? I'll actually beg her to stay if she were to think of jumping the ship. But if you are powerful, you are powerful. And then you think that Khalas Palace can just be kicked out like that. So there's nothing wrong for ANC members and everyone to talk to Mbuyiseni. At the end is his choice. Whether, because he has formally left the EFF. I don't know whether he has left the EFF. I don't know. But I know in Parliament. But if he leaves his party, why not talk to him? And to join the ANC and contribute in the South African body politic of the country. So it's not the kind of guy who left because it looks like he was kicked out. He was shown that he's of no value to his party. So what? At the end of the day, if he decides to be a politician and want to remain in politics and pursue the agenda of transformation, liberation of our people, we in the ANC, we are open to that. He can come. It's a platform for all South Africans to come and participate. I wouldn't say ANC members didn't talk to him or they are engaging and all of that. It is possible. Okay, right. You can see most that Zuma stockpile is imploding every day because he has brought his friends to the stockpile and then and kick out people who work hard, who work for this party, formed it, believing in him. He kicked them out. That thing is getting exposed that it's a family arrangement every day. And we believe that at the end of the day, the ANC is going to survive and become even stronger. And ANC members will see some of them who left genuinely believing that Zuma ngumntu. They are going to see quickly that no, we're hoodwinked here. And where will they go? They are going to come back to the African National Congress. So we are really interested in strengthening the ANC. Our interventions are aimed at that. Is Zuma not a factor? He is a factor. We have admitted to you that among the factors that cost us in KZN is this one. Where have we said it is not? I don't know. It is this one. We have said that. Openly, we have admitted that this cost us. And it is in that context that we are responding to this particular factor. But it is important also that that factor extricated itself from us so that people can see it for what it is. Because for as much as he was here, people did not see him for what he is. They thought that he's a good man, Ngubaba. But they see now, there's nothing Ngubaba. Ubaba will dish you like you don't exist. And even those who have even followed him, he will deal with them like that. And worst of all, he drafted a constitution that empowers him. and him alone. So he can't give us a lecture about democracy and all of that. So he gave himself powers in order to deal with everyone. Mosilapana ugxothwa ekuseni nje. Uvuka nje udibana neletter ku-internet umkile. Whoever is appointed as a secretary has got a serious job to expel people. Angayibone ka Floyd exosha abantu, but I'm sure he's coming. If ayizuxosha yena iletter. But yes. So we have looked at all those factors. There's nothing really about Khumbudzo that we need to respond to at the present moment, except there are reports that Hawks have finalized a report about alleged corruption. It ends there. We respond to something tangible when somebody is arrested. That's when you respond to that. Law enforcement in South Africa must not try people through the media and want to find them guilty. If you've got a case, you know what needs to be done. You arrest a person, and then a person get a bail or not get a bail, goes to court, and then that's it. There's no kangaroo court through the media, where now Khumbudzo must explain herself through the media that is guilty or not guilty. And that the Hawks, somebody from the Hawks is communicating. You know, these people are undermining the integrity of state institutions, the rule of law. The principles of our jurisprudence are being undermined. And we won't agree to that. If anyone has got a case against anyone, why do you leak it to the media and want to try people through the media? It's exactly what happened with Thembi Nkadime about VBS. No Thembi, big article is written about Thembi and all of that. At the end of the day, there's no case. And then quickly, through the media you come, why is it important that these people must not be removed? There's no law that functions like that. That is jungle law. A person must be arrested and they must be held accountable by institutions of the state. NPA or Hawks or anybody. And then you go to court and account. You don't leak a docket. Because once you do that, it means the prospects of winning that case are not there. So what do? You try a person, muddy them through the media. Remember, when you have stolen, you are held accountable, you appear in court, you defend yourself, and you lose. You get convicted, you are a criminal. That's how it happens. Any other process outside that, let's agree, is jungle law. It doesn't work like that. Today, there is a media report in Chaveni, the Hawks have handed. What does it say? It says nothing, except the fact that a person has been investigated or is investigated for this and that. That undermines the integrity of the state institution.